Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car wash kit on Amazon. How you take care of your car says a lot about you, so make the right statement by using the best car wash kit for your baby. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Chemical Guys 14-piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit. The Chemical Guys Car Wash Kit is a front runner because it comes with a foam gun and a ton of different products. In addition, the kit comes with a bucket, a Cyclone Dirt Trap, Butter Wet Wax, Honeydew Snow Foam, Diablo Wheel Gel, Silk Shine Dressing, Glass Cleaner, a microfiber wash mitt, a short handle brush, microfiber towels, and a dressing applicator. Collectively, the products are designed to clean your vehicle's exterior by restoring faded trim, removing stuck-on dirt and grime, and producing a deep gloss on the finish. The Chemical Guys products smell great, and the foam cannon is impressive, despite being hooked up to a garden hose and not a pressure washer. What we like about it: produces great results. Foam gun works with a standard hose. Easy to use. What we don't like about it: you may not need every item included. Foam guns won't work with a pressure washer. You'll run out of products at different times. Number 2. Megier's Complete Car Care Kit. This high-quality car care kit is produced by Megier's, which has been in the car care business for over a century. It includes 12 items that are designed to clean your vehicle's interior and exterior, including car wash shampoo and conditioner, liquid wax, quick detailer, quick interior detailer, plastic cleaner and polish, a microfiber wash mitt, microfiber towels, and a foam applicator pad. It also comes with a clay bar, which many car wash kits don't have. This product removes surface contaminants to provide a smoother finish. The wax produces a deep shine, feels slick after application, and beads water easily. The tire shine provides a long-lasting shine, and the interior detailer is not greasy like some competitor brands. What we like about it: promotes a deep shine on the vehicle's finish. Includes products many kits don't. Long-lasting. What we don't like about it: time-consuming to use all products in one session. Foam applicator could be better quality. Lacks a wheel cleaning product. Number 3. Turtle Wax and Dry 26 ounces. This simple kit has 3 products and a towel. All 3 products contain carnauba wax to deliver a deep and lustrous shine. There is a tropical wash solution that has a Caribbean scent to make washing your car like a tropical vacation. If this is your thing, it's a bonus, but the smell doesn't help the wash work any better. The second product is a spray cleaner wax for when you don't have time to do a full wash routine. The third product is a super thick wax that will give you that like new deep shine finish. A nice feature is the friction reducing detergents that help lift and remove surface dirt without creating micro scratches. My only complaint about these products is that they all contain carnauba wax, which means you are waxing while you are washing. What we like about it: infused with a proprietary tropical Caribbean crush scent. Contains carnauba wax. Friction reducing detergents. What we don't like about it: washing leaves a conditioner residue. Weird to clean and wax at the same time. Number 4. Adams Arsenal Builder 21-item car wash kit. Adams Arsenal Builder is a robust kit with 21 products that will help you clean your vehicle inside and out. It includes car shampoo, spray wax, tire shine, wheel cleaner, interior detailer, glass cleaner, microfiber towels, a drying towel, a wheel scrubbing mitt, a wash sponge, a foam gun, 3.5-gallon bucket, grit guard, and an air freshener. While it's a bit expensive, it's a significant savings when compared to buying all of the items separately. We like that this kit is so versatile. It's equally as effective for the beginner car cleaner as it is for the professional detailer. What we like about it: cleans vehicle inside and out. Great for beginners and pros. Easy to use. What we don't like about it: expensive. Bucket lacks a lid and dirt filter. Spray nozzles lack quality control. Number 5. Armor All Premier Car Care Kit. This car care kit from Armor All includes Ultra Shine Wash and Wax, Glass Cleaner, Protectant, Multi-Purpose Cleaner, Wheel and Tire Cleaner, Tire Shine, a wash pad, and an air freshener spray. What we like about it: affordably priced. Products are easy to use. Produces positive results. What we don't like about it: no bucket. Air freshener doesn't last very long. Lacks accessories. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.